Hi everyone. We are in Rosebud, Texas. And it is in between Waco and Cameron. So let's go take a look at it. It's got a nice little intact downtown. It's kind of big for a town of only 1,200 people. So let's take a look. First off, we got the the Bud Coffee House. And they got all sorts of neat treats to eat. You got a fabric barn right here. All these buildings were built about the same time, probably in the early 1900s. Nothing real special, but I don't know. It's fine. I'm just glad it's here. Now you got the Rosebud Profit Appliance Installation. Here we go. And they redid the front facade of the building. I'm pretty sure that's just they put that new brick over the old brick. And then you got this is what I like to see, a restoration in progress. And I wonder what that's going to be. But whatever it is, it's going to be nice. And let's take a look at the side of this building. We got some vestiges of advertising. Rosebud Antiques. I can't make out what that other thing says. Ever ready. Something I can't make it out. But it's a big old building. Look how deep that building goes. Goodness gracious. So looks like it's being renovated. Yeah, they got some beautiful woodwork inside. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is going to be a fantastic building once it gets done. You got this Amazing Grace, you got Uncommon Bank. I'm recording this on a Sunday, although I don't think it matters a whole lot. I think it'd still be a little quiet even on a Monday or a Tuesday. This used to be an antique store. Got a boutique right here. We got another little antique store. Looks like it's open, just not open on Sundays, and some really nice brickwork. And they got the beveled corner, which I like. It probably used to be that could have been the original entrance right there in the corner. But yeah, take a look at these little archways. These big old tall windows. They just don't build them like that anymore. And this was just a regular building. They just cared more back then. Here I'm just geeking out over a side of a building, but it is beautiful and it has to be talked about. And we have the Masonic Lodge with no windows. Oh, except for the front door. and one glass window on the side. So, you can't have an old town like this without having a Masonic lodge. Hey, there you go. They must be a fan of the show. And take a look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to pause for a second. There it. Next up is this neat old building with the glass bricks and a gorgeous entrance. Look at those doors. Stainless steel. That's cool. Not a very old building, but it has charm. And here's a vestige of another old building. The Osier Brothers. Now this could be a great little project for somebody in the future. And here's another neat old building, which is now a courtyard. And you got the Twisted Spur Company right there. Right ahead of us at Charlie's Tire, which is the old gas station. Now it's just a brakes, tune-ups, and minor repairs. There you go. Let's take a look at this side. It's a neat old building. It has some little medallion architecture on the top. Probably a 1930s, 20s building, probably. There's a Art Deco style building right here. You can tell by those little decorative columns, very deco-ish. And we got the True Value Hardware store, which is open, just not open on Sundays. So it's nice to see a hardware store in one of these old downtowns. They've all been kind of, diminished because of the Home Depots and Lowe's, but these hardware stores were the heart of these towns back in the day. There's just a look at the whole strip. It's quite a long strip. No murals in this town that I see, so there are definitely opportunities here if you're a mural artist. You can tell the story of this town in a mural, in a painting. A big old tree. Wow. Now, I can't tell what that building's for. It just has, just has like little artwork on that little top part. Okay, here's another little courtyard. Very well shaded. Nice old oak tree. This is a very beautiful building. You got that tin cladding right there above the windows and up at the top. Very beautiful. We'll have to take a look at that from the other side of the road. And this building is really nice too. Looks like it may still be in use. And right here is the Rosebud Senior Center. And the community pantry and thrift store. I love going to these little small town thrift stores. Sometimes you can find something good. Got an auction house next to it. And another large antique store, which is in the old bank building. Beautiful architecture right there. They basically bricked up all the windows except for two. Too bad, but this is a building was built in 1901, and now it's an antique store. Yep. Oh yeah. Diaz and Wright, attorneys in law. They will get you out of jail, guaranteed. They're that good. And I guess that's another antique store. And there you have it. And this is Rosebud, Texas. Before we end this video, we'll take another look at that nice building on the other side of the road. I would say if you want to go antiquing, this is the town to go to. And they got a few restaurants here and there. So yeah, come on down over here and buy something and contribute to their economy. All right, so take a look at that building right there by that tree. I just like that architecture. It looks really, really good. I bet this was beautiful when it was first built. But now it's empty. All right, thanks everyone. Remember, you're all dearly loved. I wonder if I could get invited to a Masonic Lodge meeting as a guest. Just want to figure out what do they talk about. Is it all about building projects and civil engineering? I don't know. So that's what I'd like to find out. See you everyone. Right in front of the True Value Hardware store, Rosebud, Texas.